Good day everyone, my name is Kendall Reap and welcome to this episode of WOOX Garage. Today I would like to take the time to introduce to you our Wildman rifle stock. This is our more traditional design rifle stock. It is constructed of 661 milled aluminum and natural wood furniture. It comes in two finishes. As you can see here, this is our natural American walnut finish, and down here I have one in our forest green color. Some of the features of this stock are it has 2 points up front for either sling mounts or bipod, as well as you can attach a Picatinny rail for further customizable options. We have texturing on the front and rear of the stock so you can maintain control of it in all weather conditions. Our LOP is adjustable by the addition of spacers, and we also have an integrated flush cup on the bottom in case you want to integrate a sling. It MSRPs for $4.99, and we hope to see you with one soon. My name is Kendall Reap, and thank you for joining me on this episode of WOOX Garage.